Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. By popular demand, I am doing a tutorial for Smelly Cat. This is kind of a running inside joke in the community. If you would like to see more videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. If you know why I'm filming this tutorial, comment below. I want to know who the real squad is. Okay, so for this tutorial, you will need 3 chords, E, A, and D. If you have not mastered E, then use this song as kind of like the transition piece to get you to master E. So first chord, of course, is the most difficult one, E. There's 2 ways to do this. There are more ways to do it, but the one that I've taught before is with the middle finger on the 4th fret, and then tuck the 2 other fingers behind it on the same fret, pivot the hand in, and add the index finger on the 2nd fret. It sounds more complicated than it is. Once you've mastered it, it's okay. But I know some people, some weirdos out there, like to do it this way. Really, who can do it this way? I can't do it this way. But, you know, they bar with the middle finger. I mute it. I'm terrible at that way. So that's the first chord, and we just say, Smelly cat. Leave the middle finger, but slide it down 2 frets. And then drop the index finger to make A. Smelly cat. So try those 2. Ready, E. Smelly cat, smelly cat. Again. 1, 2, ready, E. Smelly cat, smelly cat. Now we're doing D. Leave that middle finger here. You just played A. Drop the 2 fingers next to it on the 2nd fret to make D. What are... Slide down on that middle finger. They feeding you. So if you're the kind of person who likes patterns, you'll notice that the middle finger goes from the 4th fret to the 2nd fret. 4th fret to the 2nd fret. Throughout the entire song, it kind of does not move from the string. So you can glue it there if you needed to. So let's try it. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Try again. If you weren't able to do that, by the way, try it without the strumming hand. So as I play, just do this hand. Smelly cat, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Smelly cat, it's not your fault. Alright, now let's go into the verse section. There are only 2 verses. I would consider it just 1 because it's so short. But it's the same hand pattern, so the lyrics change basically, but the hand shape's pretty much the same. So watch me do it first, and then we'll do it together. They won't take you to the vet, obviously not their favorite pet. May not be a bed of roses, you're not a friend to those with noses. And then it repeats the chorus. That's pretty much the whole song. So let's try the verse. We'll do it super slow. Go to E chord. 1, 2, ready, and they won't take you to the vet. Try again. Ready, go. They won't take you to the vet. Next part. You're obviously not their favorite pet. So on the word obviously we have 2 chords. We have 2 chord switches. So on the word obviously we have 2 chord switches. We have D and A. Obviously not their favorite pet. Try that part with me. Ready, go. Obviously not their favorite pet. Again, go. Obviously not their favorite pet. So let's try the verse. 1, 2, they won't go. They won't take you to the vet. Obviously not their favorite pet. How'd you do? Try again. 1, 2, ready, go. They won't take you to the vet. Obviously not their favorite pet. Okay, let's take a really quick handbrake just to like give the fingers time to relax. So if you feel like the chords are not sounding right, a problem you might have is that your nails are too long. So please excuse the really bad nail job I have. So see here, you can see the fleshy part of my fingers, and that's really just for your chord hand. Your strumming hand, you can have longer nails. All right, let's jump to the next verse. It has the same pattern, so we can just kind of keep going. If you want to listen the first time, that's totally okay. You may not be a bed of roses. You're not a friend to those with noses. Try that. 1, 2, ready, go. You may not be a bed of roses. Not a friend to those with roses. Noses. Oh my goodness, I messed it up. Alright, so let's do the whole like verse section. I think it's 2 verses, but it's so short. So starting on They Won't Take You to the Vet with E chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Won't take you to the vet. Obviously not their favorite pet. You may not be a bed of roses. You're not a friend to those with noses. And then we go to the chorus. So I think now you're ready to do the whole song. I'm not adding a strumming pattern because Phoebe in the show Friends kind of purposely is a pretty bad guitar player. So we don't need to do anything showy. If anything, you can just kind of have a lot of fun with the voice, like exaggerating it. Okay, let's play the whole song. But first, subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, go to E chord. You can do this. You can do this. If you can't do it today, then just practice it morning and night for a week and you'll be able to do it. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Smelly cat, smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. Go. Won't take you to the vet. Obviously not their favorite pet. You may not be a bed of roses. Not a friend to those with noses. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Come on, guys. It's not your fault. Doesn't she do that? Yeah.